morning, student. Good morning, all. Are you getting my voice? Good morning, Swada. Are you getting my voice? Good morning, Swada. Good morning, Kirti Dange. Good morning, Bajaj, Miss Rashi. Rashi, very sincere student. Khatwanis, Anushka, very nice to see you. Because now here I will start discussion on participant and SMS Legion. I don't know your name actually, and many students are joining. So I will start from upside. There is a Dange also. I have seen your project. It's nice. Anushka is one of the sincere girl in the last live class also I told. And Anushka, you didn't submit project. I think you were busy. But Anushka is doing overall nice work and she told to some student also about the coding classes, and because of Anushka some other student call I got it and they are joining. Sanju Khatwani is a nice student, and next one is the Rashi is very sincere and you can say innocent and cute girl, and she is attending all the classes properly, but I didn't see her project activity from last week onwards. Okay. So I think Rashi, you can do good in the computer because I think somewhere you are having less concentration on the computer course, or you can say computer subject. So you have to give your focus. Next student is Swada. Swada is one of the sincere student. She sent the project on exact time or before time. So Swada is from the other school. Actually, she is from. Means she didn't join to other school, and she is taking education from her home, and I requested to Swada you have to make one video on that. I hope she will do that. Her parent will help her because it is very useful. Means Swada parent, they are teaching her nicely, and whatever I am getting from Swada, Miss Swada is the example for other student as per my information, and definitely she will set the example to other student. So next student from the list is Harman Jagia. I think Sakshi Jagia means I think her mother name is there. So I think it's Harman. Harman is very nice student, very active and very curious. He want to know new things as per my information. Kirti Dange, yes, Abhay Fuljale, grade 6, very nice student. Sakshi Jagia means Harman Jagia. I think I am getting doubt about Harman and Kenisha. I think they are brother and sister. But Harman is very wonderful student according to me, very active, and he is very curious about knowing the new things. And about Kenisha is her sister, is a sister. So Kenisha is also very nice and cute student. Then Rashi. Rashi, one of the sincere girl from her class and very cute and innocent. I'm expecting she should give some focus on coding because she can learn the things very rapidly. Anushka, next message is from Anushka. I will send one activity today. Anushka means it is not wrong if I say from that AHPS school she is one of the sincere girl as per my knowledge. Means she is having even though I didn't see that girl physically, but I know that Anushka is having some other capability, special capability. So Anushka, according to me, she is having a very bright future, and she can learn many advanced things from the teacher. If any teacher will guide to that girl properly, Anushka, her future is very bright. Next student is Patel, new student. I think he's from my previous school. I think so, and he was very nice student and very silent student. Swada is absolutely setting example for the other students. and whatever I will tell for Swada, it is very less. And I just request to Swada, you have to make one video, and that videos you can post it and involve your parent also, because Swada is learning very innovative thing, even though she is just less than 10-year old. So I think Swada is very active because the appreciation should be given to her parent. Her parent is very dynamic as per my knowledge. Next student is Lanjevar. Lanjevar also continuously posting project, and for that I appreciate him. You are learning something new. Next comment is from Dange. I already read. Sir, not see clear because of some net problem in your side. Sir, your voice is not clear now. Okay, I will try my best. Uh, Now you are getting my voice, Rashi. Anushka, are you getting my voice? Anushka, getting my voice? Yes, if Anushka is getting voice, then everyone is getting voice, because I know Anushka listen very carefully. Dangi is also there. Abuzar Patel is asking me questions. Sir, did you left the HR? Yes, definitely yes. Because it's a part of life. Whenever we leave one organization and join the other, so it's a part of life. In private organization, nothing is permanent. Okay, so the things change every year. Okay, we can't assume in private organization, particularly in teaching field, something is permanent or something is granted, that we can't think. So Bure, hi sir, how are you Bure? Till now I didn't know your initial name, because I am knowing you by Kedar Bure name only. Jay Sawant, very good student. So many students are joining, and I just tell you, I just made this idea about creating coding classes, because this benefit we got because of pandemic situation, because all students in home, and I am also having less workload. I am busy in online classes, but after that I get the time. So actually I am maintaining this time for each and every work. I am giving time to my family. I am giving time to my school online classes. I am giving time to my parents also. I am giving time to my friends also. Means I want to distribute my time. I don't want to devote in particular one thing. Okay, so that's the reason I am giving my time to coding classes also. I am giving time to my YouTube channel also. Means I want to give my time in 5 to 6, you can say, categories. I don't want to devote in particular things. Actually, my subject is in current organization, it is in mathematics. But along with mathematics, I have decided to give my time in coding also, because I don't want to fix up in particular one thing. Thank you, sir, for giving us your time in teaching us. Yeah, definitely I will give. And I don't want to fix up for particular student. Actually, this coding classes is for free of cost. Any student can join, whether it is from Navjivan school or any other school or AHPS school, my previous school, any student can join that. It's open classes. And I want those who are needy student, they can join that. Because if you are joining private courses, then you have to pay minimum 10,000. And suppose you are joining pre-courses also, then pre-courses means some teacher, they don't have experience or they don't have capability to explain properly. But I already work in some reputed organization. In Kids Engineering College I work there, I taught programming. So I know how to handle the student and how to teach them effectively. And if you have doubt, you can visit my YouTube channels. There I have lots of programming. Android tutorial is there. Means app development is there. Java programming is there. Web design is there. Many things are there. Okay, you can just visit that. But now it's a time of learning coding for the students. Okay, and this course is from fifth standard up to 12th standard student. Even BCA student can also learn this if they are beginner in the coding. But Scratch means it's an ideal platform. Why the question come in your mind? Why I'm teaching Scratch rather than other app development or other? Because Scratch is easy to understand. Because in Scratch some animations are there, some stories are there, and because of that, student can get the idea and they can easily understand the coding. So Scratch is the best programming language for the beginner. Even I am suggesting to some other professor or lecturer that Scratch should be included in college syllabus also, because in college some students they are weak in coding and they don't understand, because I already taught in MC and engineering student, and there I observe many students are getting difficulty in coding. So I suggest Scratch syllabus should be included in college level also, so that many student will get the interest toward the coding. So here actually it is around 12 o'clock. The stream will continue up to 12:30. Maximum it will be 12:30, because I post the message around 12 o'clock. So I started around 11:45. Sakshi Jagia, thank you sir for teaching us coding. Definitely. Thank you sir for teaching us coding. Swada. Okay. So particularly some student they impress me a lot. The question comes in your mind, who exactly impressed me? So definitely in that list, the first name will be Swada. She impressed me a lot. She is from other school, and just 9 years girl, and I know her parent is also supporting her, but overall she's doing wonderful job. So Swada is one of the sincere coder you can say. And next name come in my mind, Anushka, very wonderful student from AHPS school, and she attended classes regularly and effectively. Nowadays she is not doing regularly, but I trust on her, she will manage. So after Swada, next name come in my mind, that is Anushka. So here now in the spare time I am, along with the solving queries, I am telling about the information about the sincere student. So first name I told Swada, next name come in my mind, Anushka, and third name come in my mind, Harman. I was not expecting Harman will do the coding sincerely, but I just shocked, and very good attitude from Harman. And in class also he create different kind of energy, and his voice means create some energy to me also. So just means I feel very good with the Harman. So after Anushka, the next name coming in my mind is Harman. And next after this again next name coming in my mind, Rashi, one of the sincere girl from 8th standard. And she get initially trouble, but she is very hard worker girl and very cute and innocent. And if she will do some hard work, then definitely she will be a well coder. So next name come in my mind, that is the Rashi. Then after Rashi, the next name, that is the, here one message is coming, Chandak. Then Jeet sir, when are you going to teach more games? So listen, Lohia, you cannot miss learn coding in one day. And I have already posted one video for the game. And only to create game in the coding, that is not everything. Means the main thing is that you have to understand the concept of logic. It is not like you have made 3 to 4 game and you will be the expert programmer or expert coder. It is not like that. Means I know students they are more interested in animation, creating story, creating games, I know that. And that the reason in the tutorial I made one game, you have to go in with that. Okay, so Anushka is appreciating to Swada, and Swada should also appreciate to Anushka, because both are very nice students. And I particularly thankful to Anushka, because she has given information about coding to some parent. Because yesterday I got a call from one parent and they told me about the Anushka. So it's very good. Means if the student they are giving information to other about the coding, then it will also give importance to me, and it is very good sign. Sawan, thanks sir for teaching us free coding. Swada Datir, thank you Anushka. So I hope different school student they are joining this group. So you have to maintain network with each other. You can take out each other contact, and you have to maintain friendship with each other. That will be very good experience. So personally I suggest to Swada, you can make a friendship with Anushka. That is my suggestion. She is very nice. Swada and Anushka both are extremely sincere girl. Such kind of student they are rarely found. Even in my previous school also I didn't get such kind of student. Means particularly from girls, because girls give less devotion in coding. Generally boys are okay, but girls they give less devotion in coding part. So, but Swada and Anushka, they have given wonderful effort. So I hope Swada and Anushka will be a great friend. And Swada, as she is 9 to 10 year old, and if she make the friendship with Anushka or other student, she can learn good thing from other also. Because I want student they make friendship with each other, and if they make a friendship with active student, sincere student, they can also learn new things. Loia, thanks sir for teaching us coding. Okay, I am also expecting from you. You have to do the coding sincerely. And what happen? Whatever the playlist I'm making, you have to attend. You have to do practice from number one video, then second video, third video, up to last video. Then only you will learn coding effectively. And if you directly switch on game or anything, then you will be not professional coder. So whatever the playlist I'm making, it is from basic to difficult part, because I know I have already 10 years of coding experience, so I know how to teach from basic to high level. So I request all the participants, you have to run all the tutorial. Then only you will get ideas from your side. Okay, because if you directly jump on last program, then you can run program. That is, and your running program means it is not like you are the professional coder. The thing is that you have to understand how the code is working. Okay, how the output is generating. That you should understand. The basic thing you have to clear, because now you are your age is not that much high, because coding part generally it is developed in engineering field or in PG field, and you are just in less age, so you have the sufficient time, so you have to focus on basic thing. Don't directly think about creating games or any hi-fi project. It is not professional, because many people they don't know exact information about the coding, and they are directly focusing on creating game. So it is not like that. Well, if you create game also, it doesn't mean that you are the talented coder. Okay, the main thing is that you have to know basic things. Okay, so particularly I observe some students, Swada, Anushka, Harman. They are means they have practice for each and every tutorial. I observe their project, and some student they practice from tutorial one to tutorial last one, so it is very good for them. If you suppose you are posting any project, any complicated project, it doesn't mean that you are the good coder, because then you will not able to give focus on the basic things. So first you should know the basic things. Okay, then only it will be good. Sanjay Lanjevar, maybe you are having network problem. So for that we can't do, it is expected. And in the live classes also many time network problem happens. So that the reason I am not taking the live class, because the drawback of live class is many students having the live class for their school, so they cannot attend in particular time, or their net also get over. That the reason I am taking live stream on Sunday only. Actually, I want to create means closeness with you. That the reason I am taking live stream on Sunday. I actually told to my wife also about taking live stream, but she is busy in some other work, so she couldn't take. Actually, the live stream was scheduled at 11 o'clock, but it is postponed at 12 o'clock. The reason is that now I told you I am giving timing to my parent also, and they also need me. And this pandemic situation, it created opportunity to me to share my valuable time with my parent, with my relative. And I'm giving now my focus to my farm also. I'm having farmhouse, so I'm giving my focus there. So up to 11:30 I was there. So then I came and suddenly I was ready for that. So actually, I already told you I don't want to devote for particular one thing. I want to give my focus in. I want to share my time, valuable time with my family member, with my friends also. And actually, I'm just checking in my mobile. Yes, I just typed the message there. Join live streaming, because many participants maybe they are not knowing about the live stream, so I just type the message. So here our, as I told you, the live streaming will be up to 12:30 because I am waiting for some other student. So if you have any queries you can pass out, particularly Swada, Anushka, Harman, Jeet, Rashi. If you have any queries or any doubt, whatever you got. One student he asked me very good questions on how to set time. So that video I have decided to make it out very soon. Thank you, sir, for giving us your time in coding. Definitely, and I thanks to Anushka because I'm also lucky that I'm getting a student like you. Because I really love sincere, innocent student very much, and I give my best to them also. And I actually want such kind of student, and I'm feeling very lucky that I got the student like Anushka, Swada, and many more students. And I'm expecting same from the higher class student, those who are learning in 7 8 standard or 9 10. I already taught to higher classes also, so I'm expecting this thing from the other student also. So any other doubt? If suppose you have any coding related doubt, then you can ask it out. Actually, I told you one student told me that he is having a doubt about setting time. So that video I will make it out, and soon I will share on the group. Because whenever you post such kind of thing, then I also think about that. And whatever tutorial I am making it out, I am making it step by step, because directly if I switch on complicated project, then you will not understand anything and you will not get interest toward the coding. Okay, so the thing is that I have to start from the basic, because whenever any teacher they teach you math, they first teach from the basic, and then they give you some average problem, then complicated problem. Like that you learn the mathematics. So same thing is for computer. You have to start from basic, then average coding, and then difficult. So if you are continuously attached in this group, then definitely one day you will be the software engineer. That is the target. Okay, means definitely you will get the more interest on coding, and it will help you in while doing engineering. Because in future I will help you for engineering point of view also, because as I told you, I worked 7 year, I spent 7 year in the engineering college, so I am having maximum ideas about that. So if suppose you are getting any doubt in 11 12 standard or coming, then I can sort it out. So does artificial intelligence come in the field of coding? Definitely yes, but it is belonging to the electronic field also, because in artificial intelligence means it comes for making any machines, making any robots. So actually it is having two part, coding part and the electronic part. So those who are software engineer, they create the coding, and those who are having the electronic and telecommunication background, they do their expertise for making robot or machine. Next comment is from Swada. Thank you, sir. Okay, so any other doubts? Only 10 minutes are remaining for closing the live streaming. So if any doubt is there, you can share. Anushka, sir, I really like coding too much now. Coding is one of the main part in my opinion. Very good, Anushka. Just I'm getting means I'm feeling very good. So such kind of devotion I want from the other student, but I'm very feeling sad. Those students they are from the higher classes. They are not giving that much devotion, particularly seventh and eighth standard. Initially, they have shown interest, but now they are diverting their attention. Sir, I like this coding very good, and I will do the best because I told you, current school or in current organization, my subject is mathematics, but my passion is coding. Even though my subject is mathematics, my passion is coding because when I was learning coding, that time I was not sleeping at night. Also, means I was involving myself for the coding. Whenever I get the time, I continuously do the coding. So even though my responsibility is mathematics, but my passion is coding. Sir, can you teach robotics related coding? Yes, but in robotics, what happened? You cannot learn the coding in one day. Actually, Scratch is also the part of robotics. Means through Scratch, you get the idea about the robot level programming. Okay, so actually, I am also having two subject, mathematics and coding. You can say computer. So actually, I am maintaining my hands on both the subject. You can say my left hand is mathematics and right hand is coding. You can say like that. Sir, C language is used in coding or not? Definitely yes. In the college level, C is the main language. I taught these languages and I had decided to make the video for C language, but now my mind is changed. I want to make more videos on Scratch, and after Scratch, I will switch on Python. Python is a very good programming language which is used for machine learning. So my next focus will be on Python, but it is difficult for understanding. So first you have to give focus on the Scratch. Once you understood Scratch, you can easily understand Python, and after that you can easily understand apps development. And one thing I tell you that Scratch and Python, it is closely related with the robotics. Okay, because of that, as you observe in the Scratch, we are creating coding for the sprites, and sprite is nothing but the robot or human being, you can say. So it is just a kind of robotics. You are not getting clip art without background. In background actually generally png image is doesn't showing the background. Actually what happen, you have to search images. While searching images, you have to type there image in clip art or image without background. You have to search images, you will get. Because I also search the images, some images having background, some not having, so you have to search it out. Then next one is loaded. I'm not getting clip art without background. As I already told you, you have to search it out. Sir, voice is not coming. Maybe net problem in your side. That's why the voice you are not getting. So now only 7 minutes are remaining for closing the live stream. So if you are having any doubt, you can ask. I will solve this. If you are not getting any background, you have to search, you have to download 6 to 7 images, then definitely at least one or two will work out. And some apps are also there, that I also tell you. In mobile phone some apps are there, they remove the background. Okay, so that app you will get from the Play Store. In Play Store you search the app remove image background, then you will be getting some apps. Pratham is joining, feeling very good. So does we will learn JavaScript? Yes, definitely. I already taught JavaScript, but that will be taught by Harshika ma'am because she is teaching web designing, and JavaScript it is closely related with the web designing. So Harshika ma'am will teach you JavaScript, and by using JavaScript you can learn web designing, means web creation. So very good question by Pratham, and I'm feeling very happy that you are attending the live stream. And some student they are not attending. I was expecting from them like Jian, Janvi, because they are also very sincere. And if the proper guidance will be given to Jian and Janvi, and they will be very active and sincere. So next student is Sawan. Sir, does we will learn JavaScript? Definitely yes. But before that, you have to learn web designing using HTML. My looping is not working, so you have to check the coding. And in Scratch, there is one benefit: the error doesn't come in the Scratch programming, because in other programming language, the error comes if you don't type the statement properly. But in Scratch programming, the ready-made code is there, and there is no chances of getting errors. Okay, maybe you will not get expected output, but you are not getting the error while doing programming. So that is the big benefit of Scratch. So that's the reason I am suggesting those who are beginner in the coding, they have to first learn what we can say, they have to first learn Scratch programming, and they have to also learn web designing. So that's why in this coding program we started with the web designing and the Scratch programming, but many classes for the Scratch, because the Scratch give more interest to the student. How to make time, not understanding. Hello sir, actually I was just a minute. Hello sir, actually I was attending live stream from another mobile. Okay, Jian is one of the nice boy, and he's down to earth. And Jian and one more student I like, that is Janvi. Both are very nice student. Pratham is also good, he is more active. And Jiansh particularly, I would like to talk about Jiansh. He is down to earth. Okay, whenever I visit him, he wish me also, and that really I like, because nowadays a student, they don't wish to teacher easily, but Jiansh is very down to earth. And next comment is from how to add time. That video will be made very soon. And next, I'm Himanshu. Himanshu is also very nice student, and he is from other school, and he has also developed a very good project, and he is continuously doing project from basic. So I hope he will be good coder. So next student Anushka, sir, I want to know your birthday date. Okay, actually what happened, many people know me. I am very professional person, and that the reason I don't celebrate my birthday, and particularly I don't expect student will celebrate my birthday or they will bring cake for me. And even I don't like when the student they invest money for the teacher and they celebrate the birthday for their teacher, because some teacher they forcefully tell their birthday date to the student, so that they are expecting student will bring the birthday cake for them. But teacher mentality should not be like that, because if the student they are bringing any gift for the teacher, then it's a teacher responsibility to give return gift to the student also. So I'm Nidhi. Very good, Nidhi. You are from other school, Navjivan, I think, and I'm feeling very glad that other school student also joining and they are learning something new from me. So actually, you joined late, but and I don't know about you anything, because till now you didn't post any project. But if you are having any friend, tell them to join these classes, because if any student joining late, then also they can catch, because I have the playlist. I can provide them study material and they can learn it. So I hope Nidhi will learn lots of things from me, because I don't put any restriction. Any student can join, and I just challenge. I will not take 1 rupees from the participant. Even in the future, I will learn them something new, but I will not take any money from them, because I am not thinking only about for money point of view. Sir, what is there after Python? After Python programming, you can learn many programming language. Actually, programming language, they change, their version change every year by year. But the main thing is that your concept of coding should be clear. After Python, you can learn Java programming, you can learn JavaScript, you can learn app development, many things. But in this coding category right now, for the beginner, the main programming language is Scratch, that I feel, and after that Python, and then after that you can switch yourself on Java. Sir, will be the total time, and now in the streaming only 8 minutes are remaining, maximum 8 minutes, and after that I will be offline. And other student, they can later on also they can attend this live stream, but I cannot see your live comment, and I cannot give your answer lively. So if you have any comment or any request, you can post it out, I will answer. Only 7 minutes are remaining. So, any other questions from Anushka or any other? Anushka, what is your any other question from your side? Okay, so I think you don't have any questions. So around 6 minutes are remaining, sir. What will be the total time period in which we will learn whole coding program? There is no total time that student is someone. There is no time because just like in math subject, there is no limit to learn. In coding also, you cannot say you have learned coding because no one is perfect in coding. Okay, even those who are software engineer or whatever the professional peoples are there, they also cannot say they are perfecting the coding because every person they are good in particular part of the coding, but they cannot say they are the perfecting coding. And many people actually they told me, sir, your English is very simple. Whatever the English you are using in the video, even though our English is weak, that we are understanding. Because I also know my English is very simple. I don't use hi-fi word because I am technical person. Okay, I am not an English teacher or SST teacher. My English is not hi-fi. I am technical person, and my subjects are mathematics and computer. So my English is very simple, anyone can understand. Sir, from where you learn coding? Actually, I have done a professional course. I have completed my MCM and BSc Computer Science. There I learn coding. And in engineering college, I taught 7 years coding. So that's the reason I feel I can teach coding. Louis, sir, from where you learn coding? I already answered. So I'm having that experience about teaching also, and in my professional degree, I already learned. Jadhav, sir, you teach very well. Okay, Jadhav, what is your initial name? And you are from which school? Because according to my knowledge, you are from other school. Okay, I'm not getting you exactly. Devendra Jadhav, yeah, you are from I think HRGS school in my previous school. Devendra was very wonderful and very active student, and he was always making silent in my class. I know very well, and he was having more interest in computer subject. That also I am knowing. But now I left that school because of some reason, and I want to give my service now other school. Devendra Jadhav Digras. Oh, he's actually, I had two Devendra. One is in HRGS and second in Digras. So that student is very sincere. That I am knowing it. Now I got it. And that student, you have to please join coding class. That Devendra, because I know you are very good student. So you have to just send me request. I will join your number. Sir, when school started, you will teach us online or teach in school? There is, according to my knowledge, the school will start from Jan onwards. But whether it start or not, you have to not depend on that. Whatever the free time you are getting, you have to involve for learning new thing. Even I am also learning the new thing. This pandemic situation, it has given a very good opportunity to me to update my knowledge. So you have to think it positively, okay? Because no one stop their learning for any cost. Once you stop your learning, then you will not be a good student. Even I will not be a good teacher. So in whenever I get the time, I always improve my knowledge. Sir, in which school do you teach now? I am teaching in AHPS Sakuli now. Sir, you are very nice. Okay, Herman. I think it's Herman. Herman, I got very good student, Herman. And whenever I see on his face, as I told you, I get positive energy because he is also looking very positive. So whenever I see to Herman, I get positive energy to myself. So while taking classes, many time I take his name. Even though he is present in class, many time I used to say Herman is present or absent because I want to listen his voice, very good voice, and it gives a very good energy to entire class. And Anushka means there is no word for Anushka. excellent student. So here only 3 minutes are remaining. So if you have any comments or any doubt, you can post it out. And particularly sixth standard student, they are very good. In live classes, they are giving their much effort, even other student also. So such effort should be given by other class student also. So any other doubt? Now only 2 minutes are remaining. Only 2 minutes are remaining. You have the time to post your comment or give your feedback, or you can suggest me if you have any problem. So last 2 minutes, and after that I will close the live streaming. So in the coming days, I will try to change, do some modification on timetable. And whenever I post the video, the posting time is 12:30, so that participant will not be having confusion. So at 12:30, you will be getting videos. And as today there is a live stream, so today hopefully you will not get the videos. Jian Shanwani, thank you, sir. Okay, so thanks to Jian also for attending live stream. Louis, thank you, sir, for teaching us coding. Yes, definitely. And I thanks to all the students for attending the coding classes. And because if you are learning something new for me, then I will also feel the good. So I want, along with the school subject, you have to learn something new from me. That is the coding. Because nowadays there is a craze of coding. So okay, now Harman Jaggi also saying thank you, thanks. I should also say thanks to you for attending the live streaming. So once again, I thanks to Harman, I thanks to Dange, thanks to Jian, thanks to Anushka, thanks to Rashi, thanks to Pratham. So I thanks to Nidhi also, thanks to Swada, thanks to Himanshu, thanks to Pratham, thanks to each and every student, those who have attended live stream. So finally here I am going to end the live stream, and thanks for attending live stream. Thank you.